My name is Chad Jakeman, and I'm CEO of Jakeman's Maple Products. Jakeman's has been around since 1876, so we've been making maple syrup for 5 generations. We're currently listed in over 2,000 grocery stores across Canada, the US, and parts of Europe. We're located in Beachville, Ontario, just 10 minutes south of Woodstock. We specialize in pure maple syrup, maple sugar, maple cookies and other confectionery, and maple butter. What inspired us to apply for the grant to get this technology was the increased growth we were seeing and our inability to keep up with production. We identified wasted resources as well, such as the water and high energy costs with our other filling line. We applied for the FoodShift funding to automate some of our processes, like our new bottling line. We increased our output from 8 bottles per minute to 40. So a substantial improvement there. We were able to reuse water that would normally be wasted. It also has increased our revenue by $1.8 million this year. The new filling line that we've installed has a closed loop system for heating the maple syrup. This allows for less energy to escape and is much more efficient for heating. So that leads into our filling unit. Our filling unit is made here in Canada in a small town of Wellesley. It's energy efficient. It works on compressed air. From there, it goes to a automated capping machine that is highly efficient. From there, it transfers into the cooling tunnel that sprays jetted water that's been recycled in stainless steel tanks. From there, it is ink and coated and labeled, and then ready to be boxed and put on the shelf. FoodShift has jump-started our environmental focus by giving us the necessary funds to finance the new equipment that we needed. And now that we've achieved that, we're moving on to the next goal of bringing in cold air during the winter months and exhausting hot air in the summer months. The Bioenterprise team was great to work with. We like that their goals in sustainability are aligned with ours here at Jakeman's, and we look forward to working with them in the future. Jakeman's is very appreciative of the FoodShift funding that was supported by the Government of Canada.